Meaning of eccentric.
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 Eccentric. Eccentric is an adjective that describes someone or something that is unconventional, peculiar, or not in line with societal norms. It can also refer to something that is not centered or is off-center, such as the orbit of a planet. The term can have both positive and negative connotations, depending on the context in which it is used. People who are considered eccentric may be seen as quirky and creative or as outlandish and bizarre. The term can also be used to describe behaviors or actions that are unexpected or unusual.